In this video, I will show you how to see your sent friend request on Instagram. Now, the first thing to do is to tap on the profile icon, click on the three lines on the upper corner, and then click on Account Center. You just have to scroll down and tap Your Information and Permission, and then click on Download Your Information. Click on Download or Transfer Your Information, and then select your Instagram. All you have to do is to tap on some of your information and then scroll down to see followers and following. Now all you have to do is hit next and then click on next again to download to your device. Now you can customize the date range to however you want it to be, like right here. So you just have to create files. Now you've requested to view your files and download your information. So you just have to wait for a few hours in order for you to view your sent friend request on Instagram. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!